Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. Y'all, since we have been on lockdown in quarantine, I have become 100% obsessed with the show 90 Day Fiance. I literally have been watching it every single night, and that brings me to today's unboxing and review. Y'all, I don't think you're ready for this. I really don't think you're ready for what I'm about to show you. I am beyond thankful to Realitea Supply Company for sending me what I'm about to show y'all. Y'all, I got Big Ed on a pillow. If you don't know who Big Ed is, you need to look him up as soon as you're done watching this video. Realitea Supply Company is an amazing shop on Etsy. They create unique apparel, gifts, and more, so you guys definitely need to check them out. My Big Ed pillow is a sequin pillow, and it is so perfect. Okay, if you have not seen this particular episode of what this image is from on 90 Day Fiance, I'm warning you right now, this is a spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. If you guys have watched 90 Day Fiance, you absolutely know what scene this is from. This is from the scene when Rose and Big Ed had their first big night together, and they woke up the next morning and Rose had told him how she did not like his beard and she did not want to give him a kiss. And then Big Ed came back to Rose and told her that she needed to shave her legs because they were too hairy. I cannot handle Big Ed. I'm seriously so in love with this pillow. If you are just so upset with something that Big Ed has said in an episode, you can easily wipe him away. And yes, so this pillow is reversible. Mine is a rose gold. Let me get it all the way out here. Oh my God, I love this pillow, you guys. I just want to make sure that you see it perfectly after the sequins are wiped away by Big Ed. How are you gonna tell this girl that she needs to brush her teeth? You are so mean, Big Ed. Boom. But then if you feel bad for Big Ed, let's be real. His crying is just so sad. So I miss Big Ed. I brought him back, y'all. I love this pillow. If you have a family member or a loved one who absolutely loves 90 Day Fiance and they have a birthday or a special day coming up, Realitea Supply Company has the best 90 Day Fiance gifts that I have ever seen. I will leave all of Realitea Supply Company's information in the description box, and if you have specific questions about their products, send them a DM on Instagram. They are great with communication. Once again, I would like to thank Realitea Supply Company for sending me this amazing pillow, and thank you guys for checking out this video. Make sure you leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye! Big Ed!